Hi, UC first year students. I am Ashok, Kurane. After the completion of first chapter, that is Introduction of Statistics in Economics, let us study today the second chapter, that is Collection of Data. In collection of data, we have to study the meaning of collection of data and what is collection of data and who is investigator and who is enumerator and who is respondent and what are the types of statistical data we have to. These five meanings we have to understand. In collection of data, it is not a joke or a story. We have to understand the what purpose the collection of data is. The collection of data is required for to understanding the result, to understanding the better result of data of any sector or any things. We want a data from agriculture or from industry and service and research. There needs of data from collection of data. For example, we have to understand the economy's problems. What are the problems of an economy? We can say in data, how much we can say in statistical data, it is collection by the investigator from the respondent. It is necessary for to understanding an economy, and there are number of countries in the world. How many countries are developed? And how many countries are underdeveloped and how many countries are developing, we can say in the statistical data. So we have to study the collection of data. The first steps of statistical inquiry is to collect facts and figures relating to a particular survey. It is the first steps of statistical inquiry to collect the facts and figures relating to a particular survey. In this chapter, we know the meaning of what is collection of data. What is collection of data? The collection of data is the process of enumeration together with the proper recording result. Once again, remember, we have to write in examinations what is collection of data. Your answer is the collection of data is the process of enumeration together with the proper recording of result. It is called as the collection of data. Collection of data. Once again, what do you mean collection of data? You see that collection of data is the process of enumeration together with the proper recording of result. It is called as the collection of data. Collection of data. And second question is that who is investigator? Who is investigator? You see, investigator is a person who conducts the statistical inquiry. Investigator is a person. Who is person? Investigator is a person who conducts the statistical inquiry. He is called as the investigator. Suppose you are going to research, you ask your project name, and where you are survey, there you can ask which places, how many people are in this village area, and what is the occupation of this village area. It is the person who asked the respondent will be replying to you, and you become an investigator. Who is investigator? Investigator is a person who conducts the statistical inquiry, is called as an investigator. And the third question is that who is enumerator? Who is enumerator? Enumerator means ಎಣಿಕೆದಾರ. ಪ್ರತಿ enumerator ಅಂದರೆ ಎಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. Enumerator. Who is enumerator? The person who collects the information for the investigator is called enumerator. Once again, who is enumerator? The person who collects the information for the investigator is called the enumerator. This is the enumerator. And the fourth question is, who is a respondent? Who is a respondent? ಪ್ರತಿವಾದಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡುವವ. Who is respondents? The respondents are the person. They are also person. The respondents are the person from whom the information will be collected. The respondents are the person from whom the information will be collected is called as the respondents. Once again, who is the respondents? The respondents are the person from whom the information will be collected is called a respondent. And the fifth question is, that is most important, what are the types of statistical data? What are the types of statistical data? Your answer is, there are two types of statistical data. One is primary data, second is secondary data. Primary data, secondary data. That's the meaning I will explain in the next period. We have to understand these definitions or meanings of the what is collection of data, who is investigator, who is enumerator, and who is respondents, and what are the types of statistical data. We have to keep in mind, study hard, you remember till the examinations. Do understand well. And please, those who are not subscribed till today, you have to subscribe, because of still today I have explained or delivered number of definitions in the first chapter, and you will read again and again of my video. You will watch my video again and again if you subscribe only. Otherwise, you can't watch the video. If you are interested, you subscribe my video and watch it and understand everything. Thank you.